What's up, guys? Welcome to the Insane Gang. Make some paper airplanes, and we already did the montage.
Yep, paper airplane. We did the montage by ourselves. Sorry, it's just a little accident.
So now we're gonna
at the end, we're gonna show you this,
and we're gonna make it out paper airplane.
and we're naming ours. Mine is right here. Might look like a normal airplane, but it ain't. Okay, remember, this is a challenge.
To see who can go the farthest.
We're throwing it this way because this is where the wind's going. Okay,
I'll go first.
You go first. Yep. That's what I was gonna say anyway.
2, 1. Wait. Okay.
That way. Remember that way. That way. You're riding on an airplane.
Okay, that's mine.
Okay, here's mine.
Okay.
I think the wind's playing against us.
Okay.
Go.
Whoa. Okay, ready for mine?
Dude, that was good.
Okay, let's see mine. 3, 2, 1. Go! That was really bad. No!
Okay. Dude, you almost wrecked mine.
Wait. Okay, guys. So
Wait, they didn't see mine.
we have to see an extra airplane. And with that extra, we will see if that is the best out of all 3 of them. So
If it is, you must like, and
guys,
this is going to be
our next airplane, a Pokemon card. Okay.
There we go. That's halfway done. Let's keep going. Boom! She's finished. And doesn't look that well. And well, we also have another one.
And this is the last paper that we have, so this has to be the legendary one.
If these 2 aren't legendary, I don't know what is. Let's just cut to the...
Oh, and click subscribe if you want this Jason mask from me.
Even though we're not giving it away, we're actually selling real merch. And dude, please like and hit that subscriber button.
Woo!
Which is also this guy. So if you want this guy to be punched, please subscribe.
You can punch me now.
And now, the airplane is complete.
It is? Okay, let's go to the throwing area. Okay, now we're going to test the Pokémon.
Yeet!
Hey, that went pretty far for something
Okay.
small.
Now, it is time for the big airplane. 3, 2, 1. Well, wait. Let me just get it. Let's see how it does when it's low. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, let's see that to all 3 of them. Okay, let's see this one.
I think that was like the best one. All right, let's go get the other ones. And we're back with yours.
Okay, ready, go?
No, we have to do it down low. That's what this challenge is.
Okay.
Boo! You're sucked. So did mine. Looks like the winner is...
Dun, 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 dun. And now, let's see the final throw.
Oh, please go buy the merch for the airplanes signed. And that's going to be epic. You know, do you want to see this guy get punched again? Please like.
Yes, please.
And look like you are having fun.
And now I'm going to throw it in the sky and whee!
Okay, please like and comment if you think the Insane Gang should do another airplane challenge or another challenge or whatever, please type what you want in the comments. And
this
let's.
channel is new and don't expect us to make animations for you because this is a new channel. Don't expect us to do the best videos you know because this is a new channel and most new channels start out stupid.
And same as most kid channels. So, let's go. Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
So please like and subscribe to our channel. And I mean, like, actually, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
If you want to see this guy get punched in another video,
What about me?
yeah, please just
boy.
like and subscribe for our next if you want a wrestling video. Yeah, comment if you want it. That's it, boys.